Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. Second regular puzzle is a medium Sudoku. I've already solved one puzzle, two puzzles are left, the killer Sudoku and the regular medium Sudoku in today's newspaper on a Wednesday. It's Wednesday, April the 26th, 2023, and today it's war day number 427. And I've told you earlier in this newspaper we have an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Seven, 4 of them I will do today, and tomorrow on King's Day, we have no newspaper on King's Day. I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. Let me first start with the medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number. Let me zoom this out. Yes. Number 6338. 6338. And before I start, I always print the digits. Well, this one, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me start with the one in this row, the one in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the one should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle column, no one there. 1 should be there. Alright. And then let me see which number can I pick. Interesting. Yeah. Interesting. 5. Need a 5 there. Okay. 8. 6. 8, 6, and 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Interesting. All right. Which number? Come on. We have a 6 there. 6 here. I'm looking. 3. Still having troubles. Yes, the 7 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, or there. We have another 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. So the 7 should be one of those 2 boxes, right? 7 in one of those 2 boxes oh wait. We have a pair, 7 in one of those 2 boxes, and the 6 in this row, 7 and a 6 in that row. So in a row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 7 and 6 goes in those one of those 3 boxes. 7 and 6, 7 and 6, 7 and 6. And look, we have 7 and a 6 in the middle column, so no 7 and 6 in this box. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. All right. Overlook this 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 3, need a 3 here, need a 4 here, okay, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Then 2, 2. 9. Yeah, I'm thinking. 5, 5. No 7. Come on. 7. 9 and a 6. 6. Oh, wait. We have a 6 here. 6, 6. Come on. Need an 8. Need I'm thinking. 9 and a 6. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 in these. A 3 box. So the 6 could be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. We have a pair, 2 and a 6 in this row, 2 and a 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, then 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 5. We have 2 of those missing numbers in the last row are the 1 and a 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 2 numbers are left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, so that means 2 numbers left in this big square. But for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then, let me see. 5, 5. And the 1, 1. 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 5, 8, yeah, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. About these 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, now. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 4. We have a 1 in the first column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the last column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the column next, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 1. How about a 6? Nope. Here, 7, 6, and a 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 and 6 in this row. So no 7 and 6 in this box. 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 7, 6, 7, and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. I've marked this box with 7 and a 6. We already have a 6 here in this big square, so this box should be a 7. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. How about the 9s? Nope. We need a 9 here. We need a 9 there. Okay. What a 7. 7. 7. Nope. Let me think. Yeah. Need to think. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So 1 digit left. Should be the 3. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 now. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, digit number 3, number 9. Alright. Then 6. Then for 4, need a 4 there here. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 4. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 4. Alright. No. 2, 5, and 3. One number left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5. Okay, 5. 5 could be everywhere. Alright. 2, 3, and the 4. Here, 4 here. 2, 3. Well, 3 missing numbers. In the first column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Yeah, 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only place left for 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, need the 8 here. 8. 3, 4. 3, 4, and a 7. Here, give me 7. 3, 4. 7 could be here. Okay, 3, 4. 3. Need a 4. 4 in this column. Third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2, the 5, 2, the 5. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. We have all the 7s, I believe, and all the 7s are used. I can see. This is for number 7. Wait, then. How about the 3? No. How about these 2 missing? 3 and 2 missing numbers. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and the 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 to 5, we have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars a puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. And I want to remind you that tomorrow there's no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the newspaper. The rest of the additional of today's newspaper. Until then, bye-bye for now.